YouTube. What's good, family? We at a car meet right now. I'm gonna just show y'all around the car meet, and we're just gonna go from there, time. What the fuck? We got D in the cut.
Man, shut your bitch ass up.
Anyway, this is like a little trick or treat car meet. Oh, hold on though.
Yes, sir. What? That's 2K on.
Bro, I don't know what this shit is, bro. Ooh, hold on. Hold on. This shit is fire, bruh. The GTR? Nah. God. Shit's so sexy, bro. What is this?
Honda?
Okay. No shit.
I couldn't tell you.
No shit, it's a Honda. Bit hard though. Not gonna lie, it's a bit hard though. Bro, look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's a GTR, guys.
Oh yeah.
It's a GTR.
It's this or this? Is that good?
There's some shit out of fucking Forza Horizon.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be popping. I mean, Lowe's set it up.
Yeah. Oh, we got
Somebody set it up with Lowe's.
We got a G. This is what I wanted my first car to be.
A G?
Mhm.
Like 36, 35?
37. Ooh. A 350Z? You know if they have that on the back of their car, they race.
Well, no fucking shit.
You know that? No, I was just saying, if they have that in the back of the car.
That's me.
Alright,
All
bro.
day, bro. All day. Any day of the week. That's all.
I don't like Lexuses. I'm gonna keep it a buck.
Put some 22 subs.
I don't understand why you even did this to yourself. This made you look so fucking stupid.
Playing up Mike Jones.
Nigga said Mike Jones. Get the fuck out of here, bro. Fuck out of here. Nigga got the suicide on the Camaro? Nah, I ain't never seen no bullshit like this.
I fuck with that.
Damn. Look at that intake. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Look at that Lexus, by the way.
Okay, we get it. God damn, bro, we get it.
That LS habits.
I have the same motor.
VTEC? Oh shit.
Yeah, I got the same motor in my bed.
You know that's what?
Shut up.
Let's talk about this Acura.
BMW. It was nice though. I can't even lie. Can't even lie. Shit's hard, bro. Look at this monkey.
Yeah, we at Lowe's, bro. Let's go get some wood.
I can show you some wood.
I like that. I like this.
That's what I was saying. This is sexy, bro. This is like some calm shit, bro.
A few moments later.
What the fuck? You like this, Alexis?
You know, that's fine. You know what I'm saying? There's a lot during the week as well. There's a lot during the
Fuck
week.
all that shit, bro. I don't care. Yeah, that whole nice, bro. Oh, nice. You got the lamb chop, Lamborghini GTR. Not gonna lie, oh, nice though, bro. Like, oh.
That's M45.
What? This is an M40?
That's M40.
Bro, you know what BMW I really want? I want either an M3 comp or an M4 comp.
Get an M4.
I just love the front grills of the M4s, bro. And then this fucking this shit's gapping me.
Okay, I'm not saying that's gapping.
That's not gapping.
Yes, it is.
I will gap you.
Sorry.
I will gap you. And we got these shits. And we got the Marrows.
He detailed it just now.
What, this one?
Worded out SS.
Bro, shit's so sexy, bro.
Literally this one.
I don't like SS. I don't like SS's. Nah. I'm more of a Z01 or a Z06.
Who the fuck you think you talking to?
Okay.
What about that one? You see it?
I do see it. That hoe's nice. That hoe is nice. I can't even hate. Can't hate, bro.
I want a Cadillac
CTSV?
Nah, DTS 2008.
The CTSV is so sexy, bro.
Yeah,
But I need it
bro, I want a
automatic.
DTS. It's a whole completely different car.
I've never heard of that one.
So think of that. Look at that LS. It's an old school car.
Oh, never mind. Then it makes sense. Super nice, though. Oh, nice, though.
Got Infinity with it. Oh, got a Q. Why not? It is.
Oh, nice.
Infinity after Infinity. Looks like my lawn.
That hoe nice, bro. The blue?
What if you with the shop?
Sorry.
That hoe is nice, bro. Go. It's your music.
Oh, wow.
Hey.
5 minutes later.
Bring it today. I literally, my buddy, 2000, the startable came out.
Man, that Infinity nice, though. Hold on my body. Hold on my body.
The calm though. This is me, bro. I need this.
What, a little calm car show?
No,
The car meet? Oh, the car. But the rims are nice, though. I can't even fake. What is happening here? My bad.
Me gustó también el...
Like they literally just
Look at the transmission is bug.
Hell yeah, you hear that?
Fucking bro. You know what you doing though, bro? Oh my god. Look at that Lamborghini.
Yes, sir!
Motherfucker's sexy. So many infinities, bro. Holy fuck. Ooh. That's an old school Z06.
Yeah. You hear it? His belt loose.
Nigga just hate. Nigga just hate.
Oh, I got all respect. I got all respect for your fucking truck. Hey, I want to drop truck, but his belt's so full.
Nigga said his shit. Oh. Damn. On some anime shit, bro.
It's the only way.
That shit hard though. No fake.
Let me start a family suit.
You wanna go in the bouncy house?
Not one good.
What? Come on, bro. It's a bouncy house.
I will film you in that bouncy house.
Alright, bro. Watch out, bro. I'm not going at my big ass age, bro. I'm not going to no fucking bouncy house.
Bro, I'm kind of hungry. I ain't eat at all.
What you trying to eat, Bob?
I don't know.
It was a light little car meet, bro.
What's this?
Nothing too crazy.
Roll? I'm not getting that. What's this? Food truck.
You don't want rolled rolls? You ain't gonna put that red key on that, but. That's what I was saying, bro. Ooh. What y'all want? What y'all want? Psych. Niggas not getting shit. Oh, he's doing all that bullshit. These hoes nice, bruh. I don't know what this one is. That one's nice though. I like the purple. I want to get a car and wrap it like purple, like dark purple. I feel like that shit would look so yeah.
Thank you. You have napkins?
This car meet
All right, thank you.
pretty live. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Calm little car meet. We got Lambo out here, GTR, a lot of Infinities, Camaro SS. Can't lie, shit tough though. Look at this lame ass nigga, bro. Lame ass nigga, dork ass nigga.
Let's go suck my fat dick.
Nigga, no!
Alright, bro. You gotta go somewhere with that shit, bro.
We do. It is way too hot to have a car meet.
Bro, what do you expect? We're in Mexico, bro.
Mexico don't got any of this shit.
We're in Mexico, bro.
You want to see some car meets I've been to?
Yeah, let's see some car meets you've been to, bro. Were they like really good car meets though?
Yes, bro.
Like really, really good? Why didn't I get an invite?
T, I told you this.
Oh, fuck you, bro. I see the real from the fake.
Alright, we got the roller on my homeboy's dark horse.
Man, chat. Keep your real friends close and your fake friends closer. This nigga D, I'm gonna keep him a lot closer because he fake. Nigga not invited me to car meets, like, come on, bro. I see how it is, bro. I see how it is, bro.
We do not care.
Ooh, this shit look good.
What you
Like
think it is?
some strawberry bullshit.
Yeah, but what do you think it is?
A drink.
Well, duh.
It's filled with chamoy, strawberry. I'm joking. I don't know. Nigga, tell me.
It's an agua fresca. Agua fresca fresa.
Whatever the fuck that means. And what's this?
Asada fresh. You know what asada means?
A big ass dick?
No, asada means it's like meat.
Oh.
Carne asada is just like real meat.
When they say carne asada tacos.
Carne asada.
Whatever the fuck.
So we got the roller on the dark horse. Fucking pretty. You got the dark horse, clean ass. And then we got some meat. I don't know where it was. It was off of Industry. That's where you need to go if you really want to go to a
Don't leak the Addy, bro.
Yeah, bro. Off of Industry. Nobody knows who the fuck it is. Where off of Industry?
We're in New Mexico, by the way, Chad. We're in New Mexico. Right, D?
Hell yeah.
We're in New Mexico.
Look how fast my nigga was going, bro. It don't look that fast.
Yeah, deadass did not look that fast.
Bro, I'll tell you this right now, they were flying. The camera does not do justice. The camera does not do justice.
I don't know, maybe it's just me, but that shit does not look like it's going fast.
No, bro, they're flying at 140, 150.
God damn.
And
Nigga, what is this?
they took a minute. I'm a homeboy.
God damn.
Everybody rolling out. Cops were right there. My homeboy doing a donut.
Nah, bro, I need to go to that type of car, bro.
This is like a bad takeover.
A bad takeover.
The new 5.0 when it first dropped.
Dang, in white? That shit is sexy.
They're twins, by the way. Like deadass, they're actual identical twins.
Oh, those are twin niggas that you were talking about at the gym?
Yeah.
What the fuck is up with the
No idea. My phone bugging.
I think your phone is overheated.
My phone has been bugging all day.
I think your shit's just overheating.
Like I got no text all day.
Whatever, bro. Yeah. Nigga is lying, bro. Never believe a nigga that name starts with a D, bro.
Actually, niggas that start with a D are the most respectful guys.
Respectful?
Yeah. You think I'm not respectful?
2,000 years later.
We got another GTR. Look, the GT3.
GT3 base.
Nigga said it looks like a Honda. Get the fuck out of here.
This is a GT3 base.
I mean, still,
Alright,
yeah,
look at the
it's nice.
Maserati.
That is not a Maserati. Nigga. Did you just call that a Maserati? That is not a Maserati.
Look at the bike.
Man.
That bike's speeding on everybody here.
Duh. Yeah, what do you rate the car meet?
Oh, the car meet?
Yeah, what do you rate it?
I haven't been to one in a while. I would say a 6.8 or a 7.3.
Okay. I was gonna rate it a 6.5 because I feel like
This Infinity right
has
here
some nice
carries
cars.
this.
Bro, the Lambo back there carries it. The
Two
SS.
Oh, man.
Oh my god. We'll catch y'all on the next video, chat. I appreciate y'all. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.